Hi, welcome to UNIX Academy. In this video, I am going to show you Kubernetes Interview Question and Answers. These are very important question and answers. First question is, what is the control plane components? The control plane components make global decisions about the cluster. For example, scheduling as well as detecting and responding to cluster events. For example, starting up a new pod when a development replicas field is unsatisfied. Control plane components can be run on any machine in the cluster. However, for simplicity, setup scripts typically start all control plane components on the same machine, but do not run user containers on this same machine. Next question. What is API server? For a change, some people will ask, what are the control plane components? You can say like this: API server, Kube-Api Server, Kube-Scheduler, Kube-controller, and etcd. These are control plane components. Next question, what is API server? The communication hub for all cluster components. It exposes the Kubernetes API. The Kubernetes API server validates and configures data for all API objects, which include pods, services, replication controllers, and others. The API server services REST operations and provides the front end to the cluster's shared state through which all other components interact. These are broad answers. These are enough to say in interviews. What is the scheduler in cluster? Scheduler assigns your app to a worker node and auto detects which pod to assign which node based on resource requirements, hardware constraints, etc. The Kubernetes scheduler is a control plane process which assigns pods to nodes. The scheduler determines which nodes are valid placements for each pod in the scheduling queue according to constraints and available resources. The scheduler then ranks each valid node and binds the pod to a suitable node. Multiple different schedulers may be used within a cluster. Kube-Scheduler is the reference implementation. Next question, what is the control manager? Control manager maintains the cluster, handles node failures, replicating components, maintaining the correct amount of pods, etc. This Kubernetes scheduler is a control plane process which assigns pods to nodes. The scheduler determines which nodes are valid placements for each pod in the scheduling queue according to constraints and available resources. The scheduler then ranks each valid node and binds the pod to a suitable node. Multiple different schedulers may be used within a cluster. Kube-Scheduler is the reference implementation. Next, we explain etcd or etcd, data store that stores the cluster configuration, consistent and highly available key value store used as Kubernetes backing store for all cluster data. If your Kubernetes cluster uses etcd as its backing store, make sure you have a backup plan for those data. These are simple control plane components explanation. Next video I will provide you some more important question and answers. Thanks for watching.